The total number of Pi network users exceeded 17 million on May 8, 2021. Also, the test wallet has been launched successfully, and there are no errors yet, which is a very great leap towards Pi token getting listed. As a result of the node testing, Pi have exceeded 12,000 active nodes, which if compared to Bitcoin, that only has an average of 9,400 active nodes, this is a great achievement. Moreover, the payment speed of the test node was within 8 seconds while Bitcoin is 30 to 120 minutes. So with all these achievements, what is the expected value going to be? How good is the Pi cryptocurrency? What does Pi network does differently, compared to other mobile cryptos? And most importantly, when is Pi network expected to launch? Keep watching this video to find out. Hi there. It's Sheriff Network and I'm happy to welcome you to another video. Just before we proceed, if you would like to register and start getting free Pi, kindly follow the link in the description of this video to get started. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So, what is Pi Network? Pi Network is a digital currency project that aims to keep crypto mining accessible, as the centralization of the first generation of currencies like Bitcoin has put them out of reach of everyday users. The Pi Network, developed by a team of Stanford graduates, enables users to mine coins using its mobile phone app, validating transactions on a distributed record. With branding based on the number Pi. Phase 1 of the project launched in 2019 on Pi Day, March 14, with its free Pi mining app. By June 2019, the network had more than 100,000 active users, and a year later when Phase 2 launched there were more than 3.5 million. The app started running ads in May 2020 to provide a source of financing for the project. The user base reached 14 million in March 2021, having crossed the 12 million mark in February. Pi coin is the cryptocurrency that runs on the Pi network, and as with other cryptos such as Bitcoin, Pi was designed to undergo regular halving to protect its scarcity. Halving is when the number of coins that a miner receives for processing new transactions are reduced by half, when a certain milestone is reached. Pi's mining rate halved from 1.6 Pi per hour, when it reached 100,000 users, halved again to 0.4 Pi per hour. When it reached 1 million and again to 0.2 Pi. When it reached 10 million. It will continue to halve, reaching 0 at 1 billion users. Unlike nodes in networks such as Bitcoin or Ethereum that use proof-of-work protocols, Pi nodes use an algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. Pi nodes validate transactions on a distributed ledger and reach a consensus on the order of new transactions that the ledger records. Under the SCP, Pi nodes form security circles, or groups, of 3 to 5 trusted people known to each of the network's users. Security circles build a global trust network that prevents fraudulent transactions, as transactions can only be validated on the shared ledger if the trusted nodes approve them. So, if you are wondering how to buy Pi coin for your portfolio, it is not yet possible. Users that have mined the Pi cryptocurrency will only be able to withdraw or exchange their coins during the third phase of the project when Pi moves to a completely decentralized blockchain. Pi cannot be transferred during the testing phase, to prevent fake accounts from accumulating coins, according to the project website. Pi wallet balances are expected to be honored when Pi shifts from the testnet to a mainnet, when the blockchain protocol comes out of development and is fully deployed. As a result, Pi coin is not yet available to trade on any of the cryptocurrency exchanges or trading platforms. Once Phase 3 launches, holders will be able to take full control of their private and public wallet keys and use the coin to buy products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer marketplace or exchange it for fiat currency. Without the keys, users cannot transfer or spend the currency they hold. The Pi mobile app acts as a cryptocurrency wallet, linked to a user's phone number or Facebook account. As with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will allow external wallets to hold Pi coins and transact with them by submitting transactions directly to the blockchain. However, unlike other blockchains, its developers have not yet released its source code. In December 2020, the Pi developers introduced a new Pi brainstorming app to allow users to propose app ideas, join projects and engage other users. What is the expected value going to be? Presently, the official value is still 0. Only very few people can trade. Therefore, we still have to wait. Since it is still an unlisted coin, it can't be valued, but very few people trade using the Pi Lifestyle app for about $100 per 1 Pi. An exchange called SJS in Singapore trades Pi futures. The current price is about $10 per 1 Pi. But the official value is still 0. Only very few people can trade. Therefore, we still have to wait. The identity of the core team is transparently. Other coins often don't know who the developer is or where the company is. Among the unlisted coins, the technology development level is the highest. It has a whopping 17 million users. For many users, it means that the coin's ecosystem is strong. In addition, users are growing at an average rate of about 300,000 per week. If you would like to register and start getting free Pi, kindly follow the link in the description of this video to get started. So that's it for now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Quick reminder. If investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside, is to buy from Binance or Coinbase platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but both platforms are the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading cryptocurrency. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.